right there. Yeah. Yo, that's so hard.
Yo.
Yo.
You're the sickest, bro. Aw, you don't eat it.
Wagwartons, Spadbarton. I don't even know.
He's tweaking right now, bro. Yo, chill. What's up, Steve? I wanna hold Steve. No, Steve's in a hyper.
Before ready. Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging right now.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. We're here in Austin,
You're
Texas.
so dark. Wait, you gotta go.
This morning,
That was
Ian.
terrible.
He looks terrible.
No, I said that was terrible. Do it again.
What about this?
Yeah, there we go.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Guess where we are? Not LA, not Dallas, but we're still in Texas. Austin, Texas, the capital.
What
What
are we
else
doing?
do I say?
I mean, you say what you're doing.
Oh, well. Let me show you what I'm
Look at that
Look
shit.
at my cute little bottle. It's Halloween themed. Not actually, but we like to think that it is.
Sponsor us. Where's our Tito sponsor?
Here's another Halloween themed product.
Ah, cute.
We got this for free.
Do